Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video. Guys, I want to say thanks to all of our new subscribers, guys. Thanks for liking, watching, sharing the content. I do appreciate every last one of you. Today is another day, right? It's Friday the 24th, and my portfolio today has been banging. So as of today, I only got one more yield max quarter left in my portfolio. I have sold every single one of the yield max products in my portfolio, in my big boy portfolio. In all of my other portfolio, I think I only got one, which is HOOY, I believe. It's the only thing I got left in my portfolio from yield max, and it's not that much. It's less than $10,000. So as long as it is performing, we're gonna hold on to it. As soon as it starts acting the fool, it's out. Okay. So guys, this is not financial advice. I'm a 52-year-old man that makes video about my portfolio and my portfolio alone, so do not take this as financial advice, okay? I got some other news, but I'm gonna keep that till next week. I'm not gonna share that with you guys yet. It's not good news, it's not bad news, but it's not good news either. But I will keep that till next month. Next month, I will save that for next month. Okay, guys. So with that said, let's get down to business, because business is ridiculous. Okay, we're gonna start with the red stuff. We see Tesla is red, GE, Waste Management, Costco, McDonald's, TJX, IB, J&J, Netflix, Coca-Cola, Disney, to name a few are in the red. But the green, we got more green, than red. Maybe because the green is the larger companies. I don't know. Amazon, Merck and Company, Nvidia, AMD, Broadcom, Meta, Google, Microsoft, Oracle, Apple, J&J, Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, MasterCard. I don't even know that MasterCard, just said it. Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of companies that are in the green. And like I said, my portfolio, at some point today I was up 10 grand, and I sold all of my PLTY, I sold all of my Coney, right? Because man, I got $900 from Coney, right? Because I had 10,000 shares of Coney, so I got $900 from Coney, and I decided, you know what, that was it, enough. It's payday, I already got it paid, no big deal. I sell out of it, boom, we're gone, it's out. Okay, PLTY, I didn't get a lot of money. I think I had a little loss in the other portfolio. Boom, I sold out of it. Boom, we out. We done. That's it. Okay? And another amazing thing, guys, while we're looking at crypto real quick, your boy, I've only got like 3% margin left in my portfolio. That means, right, come Monday, I might need to do this before Monday, before the market take another shit. But I only got like less than 3% of margin. So I got like 2.40% of margin left in my portfolio. So that means it's less than 5 G's that I have, right? Less than 6,000. Let's say less than 6 grand that I have in my portfolio. That is margins. Okay? So that means I can call these guys on Monday and be like, you know what? Remove margins from my account. And they don't have to sell nothing, because I still have available cash in my portfolio, guys. Okay. Whew. I've been saying this, but look, I know I'm happy, because if I can get this done next week, if I can say, you know what, I can get it done next week, all of the funds that's coming into my portfolio is my portfolio, right? My portfolio go down, it goes down, right? I don't have to worry about adding cash to my portfolio because it's down. And guess what, guys? I'm still in that 1M category, okay? With all the stuff that happened, I'm still in that 1M category. And I believe, right, we don't have to worry about these on a bad day, right? We don't have to worry about these crazy losses, right? And I might sell some of the other positions I have. I'm gonna look at my position that I have with, what other position I need to look at, right? I was just thinking about this earlier. that I need to get out of. And I don't need to get out of it, but my curve positions, I might get out of curve, or don't reinvest anything else into curve. We're gonna see, okay? We're gonna see if I really need to. I think it'd probably be better if we get out of curve. I mean, I don't have a lot of money invested into those guys. I think put together it might be maybe around $2,000 or $3,000 in all of the curve positions. So they might be the next guys on the chopping block. Not because they're bad, but I mean, I'm not getting enough money from them, and they are that mid-level yield risk level. So I might consider that in the upcoming weeks. Okay, guys. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin the last 7 days is down 3.91%, and it goes for the rest of the stuff, right? No, sorry, it's up. Is it up? No, sorry, it is up in the last 7 days. Man, this has been that long, 7 days since this stuff hit the crapper. I guess so. But I mean, look at XRP is 8.94%, and in the last 24 hours is up 3.85%. So a lot of these cryptos is rebounding. You know, from the hit we got recently, the recent crash, if you want to call it that. A lot of this stuff is recouping from that. So I mean, I think it's good, right? You know, I think it's decent. Ethereum, $3,922. BNB is still above, right? It's still above that $1,100 mark. I think that's good. It's holding on pretty tough, surprisingly, right? But it's ranked number 4 in the market. So, guys, do what you gotta do. I think BNB is not on Coinbase, so if you have Coinbase, you can probably buy it on there. What else I need to ask you guys? What else I need to talk about here real quick? Let me move this out the way. Ethereum is just sitting there. What I get for number 2, $4.74 billion, 31 billion in the last 24 hours. Solana, let's see, 106 billion, 6.11 billion in the last 24 hours in volume. XRP, number 5, 150 billion and 3.82 billion in the last 24 hours. Guys, I say this all the time so you can understand that this stuff is not going nowhere. Now the market is still open. I gotta run out in a little bit because I go pick up my princess from school. And I decided to do this video so when she get home, I don't have to worry about her making noise or whatever. But as you can see, the portfolio is doing good. We up 1.44% today. We got a couple of dollars into the portfolio that I spent some, and then we got this in sitting there waiting. We can't do nothing with 65 cents, but more money gonna drop in tonight. That's already pending. Gonna drop in tonight, and tomorrow we should have a few dollars. We do our weekend review video. Tomorrow's not busy, so I try to do the video early because my girl's birthday is we're celebrating her birthday tomorrow. It's last Saturday, but we're celebrating the birthday tomorrow, so you guys can, you know, have time to hang out. Okay. So all these things here, I still in this portfolio. I still got Nvidia. It's still surprisingly doing good. I haven't sold PLTY in this portfolio yet. I still got PLTY in this portfolio. Is down $12.93%, $130. Okay. And what else? I think that pretty much I think that's the only thing I have. I might have some HOOY in here also. Everything else should have been sold from UMax. So it is a work in progress, guys. You know, as I continue to do this stuff. Oh, and in this portfolio, I have sold all of my UMax position, right? Since the market was up today, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to fully recover all that money in one day. So since the market is up, I went ahead and sold. So right now everything is sold. I couldn't transfer the cash because it's not settled, so I gotta wait another maybe till Monday before I can transfer the cash. Because since I sold all of this stuff today, it haven't settled. But we did have a little gain in the portfolio, and then the losses. For me, I think it was acceptable because I made enough to kind of either cover those losses. So, I mean, technically, I don't consider it a loss because I have pulled money out of here to pay my car payment before. So, I'm good with that. So we're gonna transfer out of this portfolio. So you guys, you're not gonna see this again once these funds are moved. Until the funds is transferred, I'm still gonna talk about it. But once the funds is moved, you guys not gonna see this again. Okay, so this is where we are right now in the positive. This is where we were before we sold today. And you can see my balance is still up high, and my cash management portfolio, which the funds is coming into from the car account, is coming in here. So by the time we throw that money in here, that's gonna get us close to 20 grand. Okay, that's gonna get us close to 20 grand. So that means I'll have to add a little bit more money here to get that portfolio to 20 grand. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that this year with all of the changes that's going on. But then again, I just might, because I will have a lump sum of cash coming in sometime in November. So we just might be able to work it out. Okay, guys. And the same goes for the Boys in the Hood portfolio. It is all the portfolio is doing good, right? We up a few dollars. Okay, overall we're down, but we're gonna maximize this thing and get it up to 20 grand at some point. And the big boy, the man of the hour, the ones that do all the work, the heavy load, sooner than later we will be removing margins from this account, guys. The income for this week, I'm not sure how much the income is going to be. So, but we're going to talk about that tomorrow when we do the income review video. Right now, we're still at 5.11 million. That should drop when the thing settle for 10 years and 1 million for 5 years. I think if I'll be happy we just stay at 600 or 500 or 600,000 a year. I would be good with that. And all this stuff, we don't have to pay taxes on it because it's return on cash. Okay, guys. So with that said, guys, I want you guys to have an amazing, amazing day. I'm gonna go run pick up my baby girl. So I will see you guys soon, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Peace, love, and hair.